In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add supports in Bambu Studio. Let's get started. Basically, support in Bambu Studios are temporary, sacrificial structure used to hold up overhanging, complex, or bridging geometries. In my case, I'm going to be using this dragon as an example. To get started, you want to head over to your process section, and from here we have a specialized category called support. Simply navigate on it, and you want to make sure to enable the support option. In here, I suggest choosing the normal manual or the tree manual. In my case, I'll be choosing the second one. Now to finally or manually apply your support, you can just click on your model, and from here, you then have the support painting tool, which is going to be L as a shortcut. Basically, we have two functionalities on this tool. We have the left click and the right click. If you want to apply your supports, you can just left click on your mouse right here, and then it will automatically apply the support onto our structure. And if you want to simply use the other functionality, which is going to be the support blockers, you can do so by right clicking on your model and it will apply this red paint. And so if we click on the preview button, we can then see that it will apply the support that we have manually put onto our model. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.